apply it to my face in upward strokes. And it's really cool and nice on my skin. Very thick, creamy. And this is good to go as close as possible to your under eyes.
Sea moss is amazing for the skin. It is an amazing anti-aging ingredient that is loaded with almost all the right stuff to lift and firm the skin and have your skin looking years younger in no time. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you how I use the sea mask to lift, tighten and firm my skin and have my skin looking amazing. So let's get in the kitchen and whip this up real fast.
Now what I am going to be using is the sea moss powder. Now sea mask to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It is also great for getting rid of dark under eye circles and eye bags, since it also contains vitamin K. Sea mask is effective in lifting and firming the skin. It has vitamin A, which helps to boost the collagen production in the skin. It also contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin, and it contains vitamin E, which helps to hydrate the skin. Sea mask is highly concentrated, so you really do not need to use a lot, okay? I like to make it just as I'm ready to use it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the sea mask. And next I'm going to add some water. So I'm going to start out by adding a tablespoon of water, and then I'm just going to mix it in. Now you could clearly see that a tablespoon of water is not enough. So I'm going to go back in, and this is the way you want to do it. You don't want to start out with too much water, okay? So we're pouring another tablespoon in. So 1 tablespoon of sea mask. Now we're at 2 tablespoons of water. You don't want it to be too dry. You want it to be spreadable. So it seems like the 2 tablespoons of water is enough. Just slowly blend it in, and it's going to get really, really gummy. Not to worry, that is perfect. That's just how you want it to be. Now what I'm going to do with this, I am going to put this in the refrigerator to chill for about an hour or so, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use it on your skin. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to apply it to half a side of my face. And let's come close. So I'm going to apply it to this side of my face. Now take a look at my face before. So I'm just going to dig in. You do not need a lot. This is good. And I'm going to apply it to my face in upward strokes. And it's really cool and nice on my skin. Very thick, creamy. And this is good to go as close as possible to your under eyes. Make sure to pack it in the laugh lines. Pack it in. Don't forget the neck and the décolleté, guys. Don't forget the sagging jawline. Just apply it all the way down on the neck. And then on the eyes. Other side, so. Good. Good. Upward strokes. Do not get it in your eyes. That's really cool and nice. I like to apply it upwards from my forehead, right above the brow, to get that lift. And take a look at this. This is the side of my face that I applied the remedy to. And this is the side that I didn't. Now I'm going to sit with this on my skin. And I'm going to check back about 15 minutes from now to show you what is happening. I'm actually going to be wearing this on the upper side of my face for 30 minutes. So sit back and relax, or go grab some coffee or some tea or some popcorn, and I will be back in 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm checking back in, and it has been about 20 minutes or so, and the honest truth is my face is tight, okay? The mask is drying on my skin. Ooh, that's what it's doing. It's like, ooh, grabbing my skin. My upper lips is feeling really tight. Whew, look at that. Wow. Check out my forehead, guys. It's like I can't move it. Look how easy this side is gonna move compared to this side. Look at it. It's like it's just staying in place. But what I want you to look at is my brow right here, and look at this one. Much higher, right? Oh my goodness, amazing. This is so amazing, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit with this for another 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna come back, rinse off, and come and show you the result. Oh, this is amazing. My forehead is really not moving. Look at that. Now I am back, and I'm up close for you to see what's going on my skin. I'm looking you dead center in the camera. This is the side I applied a mask to. This is the side that I didn't, and you can clearly see the difference. You can clearly see the result. Now I'm going to smile for you guys, and pay attention. This is the side I used the mask on, and this is the side I didn't. I'm going to do a natural smile.